Hey friend, I know a lot of you guys are always asking on Instagram and TikTok what products I like to use or what my go-to products are for my wig installs. So if you want to see how I achieved this look on Miss Constanza, make sure you keep watching. So I found Miss Constanza on ebonyline.com. I purchased this wig for a little under $40, and this is from the Outre Melted Hairline line. Now, if you're new here, thank you for watching. If you've been a part of the family for a while, you know I've showed a couple of wigs from this collection, and I love how easy to install they are. As you can see, it comes with some security combs to just add a little extra fitting, and of course our beloved elastic band that keeps everything together. The reason why I consider this line beginner friendly is because of the elastic band and how ready to go everything is out of the pack. You don't really have to do too much to it. You don't really have to do that much tweaking to it with the pre-pluck hairline and sideburns. It even comes with like a secure fit for the ear tabs that fits around your ears. Like a lot of other wigs from this wig collection, this one has a very nice thin transparent lace. So all I've got to do is throw some foundation underneath my cap, and as you can see, just with a little bit of dusting of my complexion foundation underneath, it's already looking like a pretty good match. So I'm just going to do that before cutting and measuring out my ear tabs according to where the lace is laying on my hairline. It does come with natural pre-made baby hairs. I'm not ready to lay those yet, so I have them combed back into the hairline, which is also pre-plucked. And this wig is pretty nice because it comes with about 5 inches of deep parting space. So it goes pretty far back into the wig, and it helps to make a more natural appearance. As a few of you guys know, I like to go in with sectioning off my lace just to make the install or the laying down of the hairline a whole lot easier for me. So I'm just going to spray 1 or 2 layers of that Supreme Wonder Bond lace right before going in with each individual section and blow drying it piece by piece. Now that I'm done cutting off all of my lace, now it's time for me to get into the baby hairs. So I'm just pulling a little bit of hair away from the hairline just to see if I can add a little more flair to the styling of the wig. So far, I love the color of it, and I love the natural shine and curls of this wig. Now that I've got my hairline where I want it, I'm just going to lay it down underneath my Wig Addict lace band. And this just helps my melted hairline melt even further while I play around in the wig and just kind of comb it out. This wig has lots of volume, but I want to lay it down in the parting space. So I'm going in with my Ebin New York Sleek Stick, and I just want to add a little bit of that product in all of the parting spaces and different parts of the hairline where I'm going to be running through it with my hot comb. This wig is heat safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I know that no matter how much I comb through it with this hot comb just to lay it down in the front, it can take the heat. Time to go in with a little bit of 24-hour edge tamer from Ebin, New York, and lay these baby hairs down. All love a good curly synthetic wig, but we know that those curly synthetic wigs always need just a little bit of TLC. So in order to prevent it from getting way too frizzy too soon, I'm going in with some Ebin New York Wig Detangler, and this stuff works wonders on human hair and synthetic hair, I gotta tell you. Here's the final look, guys. Tell me what you think. These are my absolute go-to products when it comes to slicking my baby hairs down, laying my wig down the way it needs to be laid down, and making sure that it does not fly off of my head, okay? But go in the comments below. Let me know what you think of the wig, of the products, and let me know what other styles you think I should try, or what other products I should test out here with you guys that you've been curious about from this line. If you want any details, be sure to check in the description box. As always, guys, thank you for clicking play, and I will see you guys same place next time.